Hi guys! So magla-live withdrawal tayo dito sa Riviera app. So kahapon lang to nagsimula. So may withdrawable balance na ako na 245. Ang minimum withdraw is 200. So mag-withdraw tayo ng 200. Yan. So wait na lang natin dumating guys. Ayan.
미역이 가네. 오, 저거 미역이었어, 지금 가는 거?
Initiate withdrawal na. Wait na lang po natin na mag-success. Hi guys! So dumating na rin yung aking withdraw after 1 hour of waiting. So 200 po yung aking withdraw, pero yung dumating lang po is 176 po. Kasi meron pong 12% na withdrawal fee. So paying na paying po si Riviera app, and pang 2 days na po niya ngayon. And ito po pala yung mga products nila. Ayan, yung 700 kikita ng 140 pesos per day. Yung 1,300 kikita ng 286 pesos per day. Yung 3,000 kikita ng 720 pesos per day. Yung 5,500 kikita ng 1,430 per day. So yun guys, if you want to invest, inalagay ko na lang sa pinned comment section ko yung aking link. And again guys, invest what you can afford to lose. So yung ininvest ko pala dito guys is itong 700 pesos, no? So 140 pesos per day po yung kita niya. So yun lang guys, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more updates and for more videos. Bye bye.